How do I tell you I need you when you still the breath in my lungs? My body shakes till the blood in my face makes me awkward smile and turn around. How do I hold these emotions when you spin my world out of place? One look at me, it feels like everything is written in marker on my face. I'm hoping maybe you could tell me now, am I the only one that's catching butterflies? Am I a moth in your flame? Do you burn the same when I look in your eyes? Do you get butterflies? Don't know what I'd do without you, and that's why you're not here in my arms. I'm so scared to lose what we already have, asking for everything that I want. Cause maybe I raise all your red flags, and these green lights are just in my head. I swear that there's something we both can't explain, and I'm terrified to lose it. I'm hoping maybe you could tell me now, am I the only one that's catching butterflies? Am I a moth in your flame? Do you burn the same when I'm hoping maybe you could tell me now, am I the only one that's catching butterflies? Am I a moth in your flame? Do you burn the same when I look in your eyes? Look in my eyes. Do you get by?